Looking for bathtub installation and replacement in St. Albert? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand how important it is to have a reliable bathtub that not only enhances your bathroom, but also fits your needs perfectly. Our bathtub installation and replacement services ensure you get the highest quality craftsmanship and attention to detail. Whether you're upgrading an outdated tub or need a full replacement due to leaks or damage, we provide lasting solutions. In St. Albert, where homes vary in style and age, we offer personalised bathtub services that suit your unique space and budget. With our experienced plumbers, your installation or replacement will be done right the first time. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for bathtub installation and replacement in St. Albert.